Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting.
Unlocking the future of connectivity. Join us at AIGC's Business Planning Seminar as we unveil our visionary roadmap.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting because we're diving into the world of content creation with VIRBO AI Video Generator. If you've ever wanted to create stunning videos effortlessly, you're in the right place.
Oh, really?
So, let's get started. So, what is VIRBO AI Video Generator?
I don't know.
Me too.
Well, it's an amazing tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to make video creation a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, VIRBO AI has got something for everyone. The first step is to create an account on the VIRBO AI platform. Head over to their website and sign up. Once you're in, you'll have access to a range of features that will elevate your video creation game. With VIRBO AI, you have a variety of video styles to choose from. Whether you're creating a tutorial, a promotional video, or a vlog, there's a style for every occasion. Let's explore the options and choose the one that suits your content. Now that you've selected your video style, it's time to customize. VIRBO AI allows you to add text, images, and even customize the colors to match your brand. This is where you can really make your video unique and tailored to your audience. To add a personal touch to your video, you can include a voiceover or background music. VIRBO AI makes it easy to upload your own audio or choose from their extensive library. Let's enhance our video by adding a voiceover. Before finalizing your masterpiece, take advantage of VIRBO AI's preview feature. This allows you to see how your video flows and make any necessary edits. It's all about ensuring your content looks polished and professional.
Due to our cutting-edge AI-based products, billions of people around the world have experienced a revolution in their daily lives.
Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. VIRBO AI provides various export options, including different resolutions and formats. Choose the one that best suits your needs and hit export. Once you've created your engaging and informative video using the VIRBO AI Video Generator, there are several ways you can monetize your content on YouTube. For example, YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise sales, channel memberships, super chat and super stickers, crowdfunding. Remember, consistency, quality content, and building a loyal audience are key factors in successfully monetizing your YouTube channel. And there you have it, creating stunning YouTube videos has never been easier, thanks to VIRBO AI Video Generator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.